Hello, good evening everyone. So today we'll discuss the topic about collection of data from Business Statistics 1 for BCom students, and it will be helpful for the BBA as well. So here collection of data. So before that we need to understand what is data. What is data? Data means it is an information. Data means it is a information where the data will be collected. It is one of the critical step in the it is one of the critical step for statistical analysis, to do the statistical analysis, and the data, whatever the information which we will collect, it will be collected through the internal records or primary or secondary sources. So in this collection of data, simple remember that data means it is an information where we will collect the information for using the statistical analysis and for interpreting the data, interpreting the information. Either we'll be getting profits or losses. For example, if you are taking of a particular organization, so how we'll be getting to know, how we'll be going to interpret, or how we'll be going to analysis whether the organization is in profit or loss based on the numbers, based on the profit ratio which they are having. So in that, whatever the information which will collect, that will be giving analysis and interpretation will be done through these methods. It will be having either the primary source or secondary sources. So in this we will be having internal data. What is internal data? It refers to the data available from records kept by an organization on a routine basis. Internal data means the organization will keep the information. It will maintain the lot of records for only internal purpose. Within the organization only the data will be given. Whereas coming to primary data means it refers to the data which will be collected for the first time, and the data will be having in original in character. That is called as a primary data. Primary data means the data which we will be collecting for the first time, and it will be having in a original in a character. It will be having in a original in character. So maybe we can take the example for the primary data is government officials, like government individuals, government institutions will be there, no? Government institutions, research bodies, these are all the examples of primary data. That means the data which we will be collecting for the first time, and it will be having in original in character. The data which we will be having for the first time, this kind of primary data will not be existing before any kind of in the any kind of websites or published or unpublished sources will not find this primary data. For best example is government institutions, research bodies, etc. So I can take the example for this primary data is the data which we will be collecting for the first time. That means for example, I wanted to know the information